third channel. Okay? Okay. That is. Ala. Nandito tayo. Okay, Michael, that is my third channel, Book Mommy. Okay. Punta tayo sa oh, that is Book Mommy, my third channel, only 139 subscriber with 21 videos. But I can go live. Oh, so you see, I can go live. But I think, but when I tried, they informed me that I didn't meet the criteria, but I will try tomorrow. Oh, you know how to go live. Oh, then you go just there and oh, and YouTube Studio. Diyan lang. Kamsa, kamsa to Ali, so YouTube Studio la. When you go into YouTube Studio, like that. Ah, to see, to what, Michael? You see that? And then you go there, and create this one, create. And then you go to create live, Passion Direct. Oh, you see it, Michael? When you see that, click, and you see, oh, I go live. I can go live. That's easy. Oh, I receive a message from YouTube. It will be a good in 24 hours. Yes, just wait. Just wait. They message you in 24 hours. Yes. And then you can go live. That's easy. And when you go live, there, you go there. And then you made it the title and your description. And when you go that sort of description, personalize. Oh, to put your photo, your profile, and then go live. You can go live. You have now a 500 subscriber. Yes, you can wait 24 hours. Maybe tomorrow you can go live. Just make it 30 minutes for a test. Just give it a title, test live streaming, testing live streaming. Just like that, this is for sure. YouTube Studio, Shirikuno, Amisa sa Isira, okay than 24 hours. Oh, wala, sa badabo. Oh, to the attend the ban katur. Okay, tomorrow I think just put it in your channel, go live, testing live streaming. Your title, testing live streaming. Maybe you can live streaming 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes, 1 hour, as you can see it. Okay. Wait 24 hours to attend Bankatur. See, it comes sa YouTube. Ano, what's ano new update maybe? Okay. I will wait your live streaming, Michael. I'm your new supporter. Okay, we support you. Okay, I will close this one. Okay. Okay, naka 1 hour na tayo, guys. We have already 1 hour. Yes, you just testing live streaming. And you can see it, if it can be, you can live. Okay, go live. And I'm the one supporter, support your live. I mean, it will support you also. Just put it in your video, your channel, your update. Just update. You have live streaming. What time and what the date. You can put the date and the hour. Okay, Michael, Mike Aro, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Kuya Narj. Okay. Mag-end na tayo, Kuya Narj. Master GR. Sisi Risa, thank you so much, Sisi. Shalome, tulog na si Sisi Shalome. Beauty Lupis, thank you so much, Sisi Beauty. Okay, bye-bye na, guys. Mag na tayo. Naka 1 hour na tayo, guys. We already reached 1 hour. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you so much. Okay guys, mag-end na tayo. Bye-bye guys. Thank you so much for your support.